Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I'm here with the 2021 Chevrolet Equinox LT finished in mosaic black. This Equinox sports a chrome accented grille as well as black Chevrolet bow ties. Something interesting about the grille is that it has active aero shutters, improving not only your vehicle's miles per gallon, but also your vehicle's performance. Coming around the side, we have our 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, body colored door handles and mirror caps, as well as some chrome trim around the side, leading us to our rear. And in the rear we find our deep tinted privacy glass, as well as a rear mounted rear vision camera, another black Chevrolet bow tie, and those beautiful Equinox taillights. This vehicle comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission ready to take you anywhere. Getting into the interior now, we have our jet black premium fabric interior. And coming over to the front driver and passenger bucket seats, they are heated for your convenience, as well as the driver's seat is power adjustable. And getting into the cabin now, we have our chrome trim right along the sides. Moving to the steering wheel, we find our lane keep assist as well as front collision alert buttons, cruise control buttons, and integrated voice and calling control buttons for the driver. To the side, we have our 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities, and just below that, we have our climate control buttons. Underneath that, we have our USB connectivity as well as our 12-volt power. And in front, our chrome accented shift lever. Looking through the rest of the cabin, we have that same premium jet black fabric and our rear bench seats. Getting into the rear of the vehicle, we see a continuation of the premium jet black fabric. The rear bench seats are folding and boast a armrest, which when pulled down also reveals 2 beverage holders. As we can see, the seat backs hold additional storage pockets, and the center console has 2 climate control vents as well as 2 USB ports for charging. On top of the generous leg space and head space, the seats are folding, giving you additional cargo capabilities. Simply put your fingers right here, pull. The seat comes down effortlessly to give you that additional space. With the rear liftgate up, we see our cargo space is generous and can likely tackle any of your needs. Comes with cargo tie downs. As well as the rear of the seats hold the tether ports for child seats. If you would like to know anything more about this vehicle, have any questions, would like to see this vehicle for yourself, or book a test drive, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff are ready to help you find your next ride. Thanks for watching and have a great day.